crucial year for China in terms of comprehensive deepening of reforms. The Chinese government has continued its effort to shift growth pattern, make structural adjustments, and institutional innovation. China has made new and major achievements in social and economic development. Against the intricate international environment and increasingly downward pressure on China's economy, the performance of China's economy was generally stable, with economic structure being more optimized, transformation and upgrading further accelerated, and the livelihood of the people further improved. Last year, China's economy achieved 6.9% GDP growth, with the total volume reaching 67.6 trillion RMB yuan, equivalent of 10.3 trillion US dollars. The speed of growth still remains at the forefront in the world. 2015 also saw the remarkable achievements and highlights in China's diplomacy. China's actively participated in international affairs and offered a series of proposals and initiatives which has produced a wide range and far-reaching impact on global political, economic, and security affairs, playing a constructive role in maintaining world peace and promoting common development. 2015 marked the 40th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic ties between China and Fiji. Since President Xi Jinping's historic visit to Fiji in November 2014, China and Fiji have embarked on a new journey to build a strategic partnership of mutual respect and common development. Our two countries have carried out extensive and productive exchanges and cooperation in various fields. Prime Minister Bainimarama paid an official visit to China. 21 Chinese delegations of vice ministerial or above level visited Fiji. Bilateral trade grew steadily, with trade volume reaching 318 million US dollars by November. A number of projects on roads, bridges, and hydroelectric stations built by Chinese companies have been completed and put into operation, including the newly opened Nawalu-Rakiti Highway, which is funded by China's concession loan. The China Egg rice farming and mushroom growing project proceed well, bringing tangible benefits to the Fiji people. People-to-people exchanges increased further, and subnational exchanges remained robust. More than 40,000 Chinese visitors visited Fiji last year, a 40.9% increase year-on-year. China remains the fastest growing source country for Fiji's tourism. The opening of the Fiji-China Culture Center provides a new avenue for China-Fiji cultural exchanges. 2015 also witnessed the celebration of the 160th anniversary of China's arrival in Fiji by the Chinese community here. The celebration highlighted the contribution made by the Chinese community to the Fiji's social and economic development, and showcased the traditional friendship between our two peoples. I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt appreciation to all the Fijian friends, the Chinese community, and the Chinese companies for the long-term support and contribution to China-Fiji friendship and cooperation. Ladies and gentlemen, in a week's time, we will enter into the Year of Monkey. In Chinese culture, the Year of Monkey symbolizes vigor, vitality, and accomplishments. It will be an energetic and vigorous year for China to implement the 13th Five-Year Plan and to advance its course of building a moderately well-off society in all-around way. It will also be an energetic and vigorous year for the development of China-Fiji relations. It is my sincere hope that through the joint efforts, 2016 will be another fruitful year for China-Fiji relations. I look forward to working more closely with all our friends to achieve greater success for our relationship. Finally, I would like to propose a toast to the happiness and good health of Honorable Prime Minister Madam and all the distinguished guests present here, to the friendship and cooperation between China and Fiji. Cheers! Happy New Year! 新年快乐! Thank you. Manaka.